Hello sir, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good sir. So LevelUp IAS GS foundation course is beginning from 24th of June. So why should an aspirant join foundation course at LevelUp?
If I have to give an answer in a nutshell, it is for our culture. You see, आज के दिन में this coaching has become industry. Institutes have become service providers. Teachers have become performers on stage, and students are reduced to being customers and consumers. But LevelUp में आपको ये नहीं मिलेगा. LevelUp में we understand the sanctity of teaching learning process. Teaching is a very noble profession. We respect teachers. Teachers are very respectable people here. More than that, students also join us for knowledge and to clear the exam. They trust us with their dream, and the entire team of LevelUp works extremely hard to make their dream come true. And that is the reason students should join LevelUp IAS for GS Foundation.
So how excited are you for this new batch?
Extremely excited. It's just a week ahead, and every year, New Year smells like new beginning of life.
Yeah. Thank you sir.
Okay.